SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Yelahanka, Bangalore. With a team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, SCON Design offers accurate and efficient 3D scanning solutions to meet the diverse needs of its clients. Whether it is for architectural, industrial, or product design purposes, SCON Design has the expertise to deliver top-notch results. As one of the pioneers in the field of 3D scanning, SCON Design has established a strong reputation for its reliable and high-quality services. The company understands the importance of precision and attention to detail in 3D scanning, and employs advanced scanning techniques to capture even the most intricate details with utmost accuracy. By using cutting-edge equipment and software, SCON Design ensures that the final scanned models are of the highest quality and meet the exact specifications of its clients. One of the key advantages of choosing SCON Design for 3D scanning services is their commitment to customer satisfaction. The company works closely with its clients to understand their unique requirements and tailor their scanning solutions accordingly. SCON Design offers a wide range of 3D scanning services to cater to various industries. With its commitment to delivering superior results and personalized services, SCON Design has become the go-to choice for 3D scanning services in Yelahanka, Bangalore. The company's expertise in 3D scanning, coupled with its state-of-the-art technology and customer-centric approach, have earned it a loyal client base and numerous positive reviews. Whether you are an architect, an engineer, or a product designer, SCON Design can provide you with the reliable and accurate 3D scanning solutions you need. Contact SCON Design today to discuss your project requirements and experience the difference of working with a trusted leader in 3D scanning services. SCON Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Yelahanka, Bangalore. With years of experience in the industry, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted name when it comes to high-quality and accurate 3D scanning solutions. Their team of skilled professionals combines cutting-edge technology with their expertise to deliver exceptional results to their clients. When it comes to 3D scanning services, SCON Design stands out from the competition. They offer a comprehensive range of scanning solutions that cater to various industries and applications. Whether it is reverse engineering, quality control, or prototyping, SCON Design has the capabilities to meet the unique requirements of their clients. Their state-of-the-art scanners are capable of capturing intricate details and complex geometries with utmost precision. One of the key advantages of choosing SCON Design for 3D scanning services is their commitment to quality.